Hi, in today's video training of Python numpy, we will be looking at numpy array copy versus view. The main difference between a copy and a view of an array is that the copy is a new array and the view is just a view of the original array. The copy owns the data and any changes made to the copy will not affect original array, and any changes made to the original array will not affect the copy. The view does not own the data, and any changes made to the view will affect the original array, and any changes made to the original array will affect the view. Let's look at an example. So let's make a copy, change the original array and display both arrays. The copy should not be affected by the changes made to the original array. First of all, let's create a project file, Sublime Python numpy, and copy and view.py. Okay, here we are. So let's start it. Import numpy as np, and let's create an array. Array is equal to np dot array, and let's pass a list. Okay, and now let's make a copy of this array, and let's make a change to the original array. Let's give the 0 index a value of 42. Now let's print the contents of original array, and let's print the contents of a copy array. Save the file, go to the console, and let's run our program. Python numpy and copy view. You see, we have the original array and we have the copy array. When we change the value of index 1 to 42, it only affected the original array, but it didn't affected the copied array, because the copied array is an independent separate array. Now let's look at a view. When we make a view and change the original array, it reflects in both the ways. So let's comment this out. This is an example of array copy, and now let's create another code. Np array is equal to np dot array, and pass in the list 4 5, and let's create a view of the original array. Now let's change the second index of the array to 55, and now let's print the contents of the original array and print the contents of the view. Save the file, go to the console, run the program. You see the contents of the original array and view are the same, because view does not contain any data. It's just pointing to the original array. So when we are changing data in the original array, it is also being changed in the view, and vice versa. And let's see if we change the contents in the view instead of the original array, and let's make it 150. Save the file, go to the console. You see it has now reflected in both the original array and the view. So it's vice versa for the original array and the the view. Okay, let's see if array owns its data. As mentioned above, copies own the data and view does not own the data. But how can we check this? Even numpy array has the attribute base that returns none if the array owns the data. Otherwise, the base attributes refers to the original object. So let's print the value of the base attribute to check if an array owns its data or not. So let's create a array, make a copy, make a view, and print the base value of both these. Okay, I'll save this, and example of array view, going to comment this out. Okay, example of array base to check if array owns its data. Okay, import numpy as np and array is equal to np dot array. Let's pass in the list. Let's make a copy of array and let's make a view of the original array. Let's print the value of copy base and print the base value of the view. Save the file, go to the console, run the program. You see the copy have returned none because it owns its data, but the view have returned the original array because view is just pointing to the original array. So that's how you can differentiate between copy and view, by checking the base attribute, and that's how it works. I hope you have liked this video, and if you liked my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time with new topic in Python NumPy. Bye.